Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can delete your Instagram from another device that you may have mistakenly logged into. Could be your friend's device or your parents' device that you don't want them to see your account or something like that. So basically, in order for you to go ahead and do that, feel free to watch the video till the end because it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device, and finally, once you have done that, on the bottom right of your screen you want to tap on your profile icon, and then simply on the top right you want to tap on this triple lines icon right here and tap on settings on the bottom right, and finally go ahead into security tab and then click on password, and over here you want to enter your current password on top, your new password on the middle, and then your new password one more time, and click on the tick right on the top right. And what this is going to do is basically going to change your Instagram account's password and is going to automatically remove your Instagram account from all the other devices that it is logged into. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.